create a powerful cognition, invoking the supreme power, Paramashiva in you, and unclutch from everything you experienced as you and world. Listen, this is the direct, most powerful technique, method for you to manifest the being of Paramashiva. First, create the Satya Sankalpa prayer, deep prayer, Satya Sankalpa, invoking Paramashiva. O my Lord Paramashiva, the supreme power of the universe, supreme power of the cosmos, the most supreme existence, please manifest yourself in me. He expects only one thing from you. You requesting him, not even praying, just requesting him, please manifest through me. That's all. He is waiting. He is as much in love with you as much as you are in love with him. Just simple request. Please, 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 can you manifest yourself in me? Offering this request, decide to unclutch everything you know as you and the world and anything you know. Absolute, supreme unclutching. I tell you, just if 10,000 people can do this all over the world, we will give a superconscious breakthrough to the humanity. It is actually too cheap, small number, just 10,000 people. I am not asking more than that. We need just 10,000 people. And for a normal, average human beings, toxin level in their body and mind, within 3 months, they can successfully manifest Paramashiva. Nothing else is required, I tell you. If at all you want to reduce the 3 months time to lesser and less and manifest quickly, only one thing, stop taking solid food, start hydrating your body with a lot of liquids like neem juice, organic fruits juices, arugambul juice, herbs. Hydrate your body with organic fruits juices and herbal juices and stop taking solid food. Langanam parama aushadam. That is the ultimate alchemy medicine. Aushadam does not mean medicine. Aushadam means alchemy medicine. I tell you. Fasting with the intention of manifesting Paramashiva not only detoxes your body, it detoxes literally your deeper layers like a prana sarira, mano sarira. Whole brain gets detoxed. And Ananda Sarira, Vijnanamaya Sarira, Anandamaya Sarira, all the deeper layers gets detoxed. I tell you, listen carefully. If you just do these 3 instructions, it's Straight message from Paramashiva today morning. Request him, simple request. In your own language. It does not need any specific Sanskrit mantra. Nothing. Your own language. Actually, my Anmartha Puja is a mixture of Tamil, English, Sanskrit, all the three languages. So it can be your own language or mixture of 2-3 language, no problem. It can be your own language. Just request Paramashiva. I don't even want to use the big word prayer. Just request. Please, 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 can you manifest yourself in my being? Whatever I know as my being, can you manifest? The supreme power, the supreme authority, the supreme source of this cosmos. Please manifest. That's all. And then, after you put your request, try to unclutch as intensely as possible. I tell you. First instruction, requesting Paramashiva to manifest in you. Second instruction, unclutch, extreme unclutching, absolute unclutching. Third, if you want to fasten the process of manifesting Paramashiva, adopt this no solid food, only hydrating your body with the liquids, juices, herbal juices, fruits juices. The third instruction of this no solid food is not compulsion, it's an option. Just these three, that's all. First two instruction is compulsion, all have to practice. The third is option, if you want to quicken the process, that's it. If 10,000 people can do this just for 3 months, we can give such powerful breakthrough to, superconscious breakthrough to the whole humanity, because all of us are connected, understand? All of us are interconnected. We are all not islands. These are all fundamental truth. I tell you. When you start unclutching, Kailasa experiences the joy, bliss of your unclutching. Just if 10,000 people can sit all over the world and unclutch, we can give extraordinary superconscious breakthrough to the world.